The Danfoss TPOne heating controller minimises the cost of heating your home, automatically lowering the temperature according to a rhythm that you define. Conserving energy and saving you money while you're away and while you sleep. With user-friendly, one-touch, energy-saving features that make temperature adjustments a breeze. Whether you leave home earlier than expected or if you decide on an early night. Independent tests have found that lowering the temperature of your home by just 1 degree can reduce energy consumption by as much as 10%. The TPOne's Click and Save function is simple and effective. Just a few clicks and all of your predefined temperatures are lowered by 1 degree 24/7, helping the environment and saving you money. Danfoss TPOne. Intelligent controls made easy. Contact your local heating installer or visit tpone.danfoss.com.